Part 1. Creating a room. Let's start by heading to Gemini AI. We use Gemini AI to create 5 prompts to use in Leonardo AI. Both prompts I use will be in the description below. Head to Leonardo AI. All AI tools I use in this video are using the free plan they provide to you, so don't worry, you don't have to pay using these websites. Copy and paste a prompt into Leonardo AI prompt box. Leonardo has a very good image upscaler to make our image better. Let's use it. Just follow my settings here. Photoshop to just clean up some minor things and to create a mask on our TV to make an easy-to-use work project out of the image you just made.
Yeah. Let's go. We just gotta go hard. I go the hardest. I bring the pain. Not what you used to. It's all part of the game. Yeah, I just gotta go hard. I just gotta go hard. Go hard. Go hard. Yeah. Oh yeah, the beat's back, adrenaline pumping.
Double tap L to use the tool I'm using here, and then hold Shift when you make your mask outline to create a straight line for the mask. Erase what's inside of your mask.
You'll never get a trophy because they all here where we at. You better believe that. When it's all said and done, I'll still be here standing. Never took a loss and it ain't something that I'm planning. I dare you to say something. My focus is A1. Every dog has its day. It's been mine since day one. This is real grinding. I'm still climbing. While you still trying, I'm still shining. It's real blinding. And I'm getting hotter too. Talking top 2, I'm not a 2. You let the pressure bother you and I do what I gotta do. Let's go hard. Coming close to me, flow is on atomic. I'm starting fires through poetry. The hardest out, staying loyal, no falling out. And if you step into the court,
whatever photo editor software that you use to do this part, make sure you export with the transparent settings on. Canva is free and also Photo P.
Don't mistake it for magic. We've been shooting in the gym. This is target and practice, yeah. And I'm just getting started, getting feet wet. It's all in repetition, ain't a secret. All facts, all black dress code. Pay me my respect, collecting every debt.
Part 2. How to make a basic 3D zoom transition in After Effects with your photo, just like you've seen in the intro and just now. Make your AI image on the top layer in the timeline and add your B-roll under it. Adjust your B-roll to fit the TV screen of the photo. Just follow along here. Create a camera and null layer now.
Go hard.
Make sure to make all clips in the timeline's 3D boxes turn on, and parent link your camera to your null layer. Then just follow my keyframes and flow graph to make the smooth 3D zoom transition. The technique you just saw is the foundation for some truly creative edits. This is your springboard to take things further and explore your own artistic vision. Remember, this concept is great for client work too. You can personalize images by adding their brand elements, making them feel valued, and showing you understand their needs.